Hi guys, welcome to the Butcher family, and today I'm gonna show you on how to set up your built-in VPN on your computer, because there is a built-in VPN on your computer. And yes, you can actually mask your IP address, or it can actually change your IP address if you are in Philippines, and then if you set up your VPN, because there are some VPN that you can install on your laptop or any desktop, but actually it's free for 7 days, 2 weeks, but then after that you have to pay. It's really hard. This one here, it's free. Okay, and I'm show you how to set up your VPN, your built-in VPN on your computer. So okay, we'll start from start from here. Settings, start, you just go to a network and a PC settings. There we go. PC settings, and now find the network and internet, Wi-Fi, airplane mode, and VPN. That's I think Windows 10 get a built-in VPN already. So click that one. It's just easy and simple, but it's quite hard if you are a first timer or a learner. Okay, there is advantage and disadvantages of your to set your VPN. The first is the advantages is, first, you can mask your IP address. They can change your IP address wherever you want. If you're in the Philippines, you want to go to Canada, you want to go to France, you want to go to US, is there. But this one here, we're just going to get the free one. There is some there that's not free, that you have to pay. Well, I'll show you later. Okay, this is what you're gonna do. Okay, we set up that one, settings, and then we have to click the VPN. Oh, here we go. Click the VPN and set here, add a VPN connection, advanced option, allow VPN over method network. You don't need to do anything about that. It was just on, and on. Related settings, change adapter, change advanced sharing option. You don't need to do anything up over that. There's a setting up a VPN, but this time I'm gonna show you how to set up your built-in VPN on your computer. I'm not sure. I think those old computer, like I think I got the Windows 10 computer, so there's a built-in VPN on it already. So I found this one is very helpful and very informative. First, we have to go to add a VPN. See this one here, it said add a VPN connection. Well, actually, you don't know anything of this. How are you gonna set up with this? Well, there is a way on how to do that. Let's go to the Chrome now, and let's find the VPN book, where we can find the free VPN book in there. It's free. Okay, there's some there you have to pay, but this one is free. Just type the VPN book, vpnbook.com. All right, we have to find the VPN. See this one here, free VPN. All right, so you gotta have to go to the free VPN account. There's a free web proxy, how to set up, features, and privacy. Okay, but we'll have to start from here. Okay, this one here is free VPN, and it said here it's free. They do the Firefox, Chrome, Opera, I don't know this one, Microsoft Edge, fast, no lagging, no speed limit, unlimited bandwidth, no registration required. That's true, no registration required. See, we have to pick this one here as they call it a point-to-point proxy. I'll have this one, free open VPN and PPTP VPN. Choose this one here. The rest is I don't know, because this is the only one I tried. Free VPN. Our free Europe VPN service hosted in Romania, which is one of the best location providers. Our Europe VPN allows you to bypass ISP sensors and get an unrestricted internet. This is the good part in here, because they just gonna mask you. Okay, when you do something, but don't do it, you probably get caught again. I just want to show you this one here. All right, see this one, there's quite a few there. All right, we'll start from here. Let's go back to the how to set up. Add a VPN connection. So there's arrow down. There's no other choices. Just click the Windows built-in. That's a Windows built-in. The connection name, you just type VPN book. VPN book. Oh, I have to copy the letter. VPN book. Yes, that's it. Server name or address. Server name or address. What you're gonna do is you're gonna have to get this one here. Let's go back here. The VPN address will just go to let's go to USA lang. Okay, I like USA. Oh, sorry, I just like USA. Any of this one that works. I'll just go this one here because I tried this one. Yes, this one here. You can just copy that one. Right click, copy, paste over here on the server, paste that one. VPN tab, because point to point tunneling protocol, click that one. Now it said here username and password. Just do the username and password. Username optional, password optional. You just go save. By the time you log in here, see there was a VPN book right here. You just gonna have to click it again. It said connect, advanced option, and remove. So if you want to change your VPN again, you're gonna have to remove it and set up it again. This one is connect, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna ask me the username and the password for that. See the username? Go back here again. That's the username here right there. VPN book, a small. That's what you're gonna put in there. There we go. That's it there. Paste that one, and the password is this one here, 6B. Follow the, it's either small letter, capital letter, follow that one, or else you won't get connected. So that's easy peasy for you. Okay, I've learned that one somehow, and somebody already told me about it, but I'll just have to explore and explore. It's quite hard at first because I getting like oh, you're not connected, something like that. It was this store or blah blah blah. Today you have to enter the password. E7. Now I'm gonna connect it. Your caps lock is, oh no, my caps lock is on. I have to go back. Okay. C, wait a minute, huh? CB, I keep talking. 7W, caps lock A, Eagle 7. Oh no, why is my caps lock is keep on? Hang on, because I forgot to turn up my CB 7W, caps lock E, A7. All right, now we have to connect this one. Can't connect. Connection term could not be established. Use the port used for this connection was closed. What happened? Why is it closed? I was to VPN book. VPN book. Tapos 6B 7W caps lock A7. Verifying on your sign-in information. Okay, here we go. Completing the, sometimes you get lag out. You only got about, I don't know how many seconds that you've been like lag out. You can have to enter it again. See, I got the VPN book connected. See, there's an advanced option. If you want to disconnect, you want to remove again and use another VPN connection, you can do it. Well, that's what you're gonna do. So now we have to check my IP address, because my IP address is 67.199.180. Now, I think 180. Now, we have to check. I'm gonna ask what's my IP address this time. That's my IP address, and I show you my IP address because my phone is actually connected to a Wi-Fi here in our house. It's unlimited internet, and I show you my IP address now, so you will know how they can mask your IP address. Okay. Well, look, just wait, just wait. I'm gonna do. Um, this is my IP address here, guys. It's 67.213.143.151. That's our IP address with the router that I'm using. That's unlimited internet. Now that I set up the VPN on this computer, that will mask my IP address. That's the good part. I'm not sure if you can do to the unrestricted things. I don't want to do it because I'm here in the country where they have a really good spy. Okay, so I just don't want to do it. Just keep blogging with that. That's so easy. Now this is the trick. If you want to change another IP address or another country, of you have to disconnect this one. See, disconnecting. Wait for it till say disconnected. It takes a while. Relax and take it easy. Now it doesn't say anything. Right now you gotta have to remove it. That's it. Simple as that. And now if you wanna add, then go back there. That one, blah blah blah. BP. Always remember VPN book, where you can get this free VPN server. That's what you're gonna do, okay? And that's all for now. And I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative things about VPN. Next time, I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN connection on your phone. All right. See ya. Bye. Thank you.